Hi guys, welcome to our channel BPA Coder. If you're new to the channel, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPA Coder. Today we are going to see how to create a 3D 100% bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require the data as shown on the screen over here. This is the sample data which I've built in Excel, and this is the macro button in which I have assigned the VBA code. And first we will be seeing the output of a code, and then we will be looking after the VBA editor, and we will have a deep explanation about the code written behind it to create such chart. So as you can see, this is our 3D 100% bar stack chart in VBA Excel, and we will be seeing how to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get into our VBA editor and have a deep explanation about the code to create this type of chart in VBA Excel. So let's get into our VBA editor. So as you can see on the screen that this is our VBA editor, and this is the sub procedure which I have created to create a 3D 100% bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So to create this type of chart, we require these lines of code to be written to create this type of chart. Now we will be seeing what are these lines do and how they help us to create this type of 3D 100% bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So the first line which we are going to write is, the first line will be always we are going to select a single cell inside our data range. So as you can see, this is my data and I have selected a single cell inside my data. Once I have selected a single cell inside my data, which is C4, I'm going to write this line of code, which is activesheet.shapes.addChart2, and inside the brackets, I'm going to give some parameters to create this type of chart. So the first parameter will be the chart value, and each and every chart has its own value. For our video, which is 3D 100% bar stack chart in VBA Excel, the chart value is 10. Then we are going to give the chart type as Excel 3D bar stacked chart, bar stacked 100. So this will be our chart type. Once you have given the chart type, we are going to set the position of our chart using left, width, top and height. Once you have set these values, we are going to close the brackets and we are going to type dot select over here. So what this line of code will do is, this line of code will help us to create the chart, and then it will select the chart. So once the chart is created and it's selected, the next step which we are going to do is we are going to use a with statement over here, which will help us to set the chart title, apply the data labels and set another elements like showing the data labels and the tables with the legend keys, etc. Also setting the legend keys over here. So to do that, we are going to type with active chart dot has title equals to true. So once you have written with active chart, below that we are going to type dot has title equals to true, and this line of code will understand or inform VBA that our chart has a title. And then what we are going to do is we are going to set the chart title. So first we are informing we want a chart title. In the second line we are informing what has to be our chart title. So to do that, we are going to type dot chart title dot text equals to and the name of our chart title. You can type your own chart title as per your preference. Once you have written this line of code, your chart title will be created. And then what we are going to do is we are going to say dot apply data labels. Once you have written dot applied data labels, it will label your data. As you can see, 30, 40, 50 are the data labels which has been labeled properly inside our chart. After that, what we are going to do is we are going to create this table over here. As you can see, this is the data table inside our chart which we are going to create. So to create the data table inside our chart, we are going to write another line of code below it, which is dot set element, and inside the brackets it will be MSO element data table with legend keys. Once you have given this line of code, your data table with legend keys will be created over here. Once you have created your data table with legend keys, what we are going to do is we are going to remove the grid lines inside our 3D 100% bar stack chart in VBA Excel. So to remove the grid lines, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element primary value grid lines none. Once you have given this line of code, your grid lines will be removed from your chart which you are creating. And then below that, next line, what we are going to do is we are going to set the legends on top. As you can see that our legends are placed on top inside our chart. So to do that, what we are going to do is we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to say MSO element legend top. So once you have written this line of code, your legends will be placed on the top of the chart, as you can see over here. Once the legends are on top, we are going to remove the floor. As you can see that this area is clear, we don't have any lines or any shadows over here. So to remove those and make it clear, we are going to type dot set element, and inside the brackets we are going to give MSO element chart floor none. Once you have written this line of code, your floor or the lines over here will be removed. And then what we are going to do is we are going to type end with. So we are going to end the with statement over here, and once you have ended your with statement and you have followed till here in this video, then congratulations, you have learned how to create a 3D 100% bar stacked chart in VBA Excel. Now as you can see, initially we have created and selected our chart. So to deselect our chart, what we are going to do is we are going to select any empty cell inside our worksheet to deselect our chart. For that, I have written range g4.select. This will help us to select empty cell inside our worksheet. So that's all for this video. If you like this video, then please do like, share and subscribe to our channel BPO Coder. For more such videos, please do visit our channel page BPO Coder, and also please do comment your questions and suggestions in the comment box. Till then, have a great day from BPO Coder. Bye.